welcome to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is part 10 in the series where I show you the gear that I use when I go out and do live shows or when I do some street playing. This is going to be a rather short one, but before I begin, I just want to say to everybody who has subscribed to my channel, thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and also ring that bell. There's a type of lubricant that I use whenever I go out and play, whether it's street playing or live shows. And it helps with finger soreness, and it also helps with sliding. And it's called, put it up here, it's called Finger Ease. Now, I'm not really a big online shopper. If I can get it at the music store I have in town, I'll get it there. If I can't get it at any stores or the music store, I will buy it online, which doesn't happen very often, but I do shop online. And I know there's a lot of people out there that do a lot of shopping online. But I would suggest, if you do have a music store in your area, go ahead and go to the music store and get the Finger Ease. It's better than waiting a couple of days to get it in. Now, I got this at Hyde's Music, and it cost me $6.29. So it's relatively cheap, and basically, like I said, what it's for is when you're going to start playing, you don't want to play with dry hands, because then the strings will start to cut into your fingers and you can't slide very good. So what you do is you spray a little bit of this Finger Ease on your strings, and it helps lubricate it. Okay? Now, I got my guitar here. Let me grab the guitar. Let me show you. Usually when I let me get this out there. Now, usually when I spray it, I just spray it right around here. I don't worry about coming down here. Don't worry about that, because once you have it up here and your fingers are saturated with the Finger Ease, you'll be able to bring it down here and you'll slide. So basically, you want to start basically in like you're using a spray can. And just little spurts. It's like that. Just, you want to shake it first. Shake it really good. Okay? And just lightly spray about down to the 7th fret. That's usually what I do. And just get the fingerboard wet. Just kind of move it up and down like that. Now when you do that, you're going to feel your fingers are a little greasy, but that's what's supposed to be. That way your fingers can slide up and down the guitar. Okay? Just like that. Alright? So if you're a big online shopper, you can go to, and I'll have the links below, sweetwater.com, musiciansfriend.com, Amazon. I'm sure they're going to have it. But like I said, this is also for steel, nylon, or gut strings. So I have steel, so it works fairly well. It says here, faster fret changes, reduces finger tenderness, and stops string talk. Basically, when you're going up and down, you hear that squeaking noise. It helps. It doesn't eliminate it, but it quiets it down. Okay? So, and like I said, it's under pressure, so be careful. Don't be smoking or lighting lighters with this stuff around, because it will catch fire. It's extremely flammable, is what it says. Now, like I said, you can get this for like maybe $5 to $7. I got this for $6.29. Very easy, and it's really effective, and it works. And like I said, when you're done, it also helps with rust. Sometimes the oil from your fingers will make the strings corrode or rust. So what you want to do is, after you're done with your gig, or in between when you're taking a break or something, grab yourself a paper towel or a rag, a clean one, and wipe your strings, wipe all the Finger Ease off of it, underneath the strings and on top, and then spray a little more. Okay? Now, when you're done with the show, do the same thing, wipe it down, and then spray some more, and then put it in your gig bag. It helps, and it won't, your strings won't corrode. Okay? So, I just want to let everybody know, in the next couple of weeks, probably in about a couple of weeks, I'm going to start doing cover tunes also. So, and if you go to jamesunplug.blogspot.com, I'll leave the link below, go to the song lists and you're going to see all the songs that I do. If you want to hear me play a song, just either put it in the comments or send me an email. Okay? Alright. So for Jason's Acoustic Workshop, I'm Jason. Like I said, if you can get this at your local music store, it would probably be better if you did that. But if not, you can get it online and I will leave the links below. Alright? Thank you.